Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use green screen in Capcut. So what you have to do, first you have to open the green screen. Okay, now I'm going to just add a project. Okay, first I am going to add background. Okay, so this is the background. Then here you have to click on this overlay. Okay, click on overlay, click on plus. Now I'm going to use this one. Okay, now click on add. Now you have to just select, you have to just zoom out this to whole video. Okay, now you have to select it, and here you will see remove busy option. Click on it and just click on chroma key. Now you have to just select the color. Okay, I have selected the color. Now you have to just intensity to 80 to 85. Okay, shadow 12. Now just click on OK. Now you will see that like this you can use green screen in Capcut. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.